Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to convert an image to PDF on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. Start by opening the Photos app on your iPhone and select the image you want to convert. You can select one image or choose multiple images to combine into a single PDF. Once selected, tap the Share icon at the bottom. Scroll down the Share menu and tap Print. Now tap the Share icon again from this preview screen. In the new Share menu, tap Save to Files. Choose a location in your iCloud Drive or on My iPhone to save the PDF file. You can rename it if needed, then tap Save. To access your PDF, open the Files app. Navigate to the folder where you saved the PDF. You'll see the newly created file there. Tap and hold the file, then tap Get Info to confirm it's in PDF format. You can now view, share, or store this file like any other document. This method works for single images or groups of images, saving them into one clean PDF. So that's basically how you can convert an image to PDF on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.